just what I needed. External monitor recommendation naman for non-Apple users. Hi there, I'm Anthony, your web design and funnels expert, founder of Website Academy PH. I help beginners and businesses build websites that convert and freelance skills that pay off. Just to give context, I've used both Apple and Windows setups over the years kahit nung nasa corporate pa ako. And whether you're a student, a freelancer, or building your own agency, a good monitor setup can really make a big difference pagdating sa productivity. For years, nag-start ako from 24-inch na 1080p. Then for almost 2 years, I'm using a 28-inch 4K UHD IPS monitor na Samsung brand. So it gives you basically a crystal clear resolution, wide viewing angles because of IPS, and enough screen real estate to work on Figma, WordPress, Zoom, Canva, AI tools that you can think of. Pagdating naman sa insights, you don't need to go high-end naman or brand specific. As long as from 24 to 28 inches, IPS panel, yon at least 1080 or 1440p, 2K or 4K resolution, multiple input ports like HDMI or DisplayPort, you're good. So, depende rin sa budget kahit Windows user ka pa. If you want a checklist or workspace tips for beginners, let me know in the comment section. Like and follow for more real tools and real talk for freelance web designers. See you in the next video.